Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new vlog. So we are getting ready to run some errands real quickly. I need to re-up on some groceries inside the house. We probably gonna go to Target, Kroger's, and probably Trader Joe's. So yeah, that's where I'm about to head right now. I just got on something real comfy. So yeah, hope you guys are all doing well today. Let's head out. Y'all, look at this purse. Like, tell me this ain't fire. Oh my, it's a Steve Madden purse for 20. This is so cute. I love this. And then I seen this one next to it. It's just like a little BB, but that is so cute. Oh, this is cute too. Oh, I like this. This is so cute. Oh, I love these. Okay. I like that little Calvin Klein too, it's nice. And then I also like this little brown little purse. These kind of purses are really in right now too. But I ain't gonna lie, I was thinking about getting this one because it's like, but I feel like I already got a purse that's sort of like this. So I'm like, I don't know. But super cute though. These little Aldo purses are cute. These are really cute. These real popular too with like the little scarves on your purses. These are really popular. And then this one is really cute too. Let's see what they got over here. Got a few little bags. I love this little Madden girl. And that's a look for 25. That's a little look. See, they got a lot of sales over here. That's a cute little Aldo bag. This is fire. What? I love this. Look at this Aldo bag. This is so cute. They got it on sale for the 40. These are so fire. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of like this bag. That's real cute. Y'all, look at this little bag. I found it in the black. Y'all, so cute. Like, it's by Steve Madden. How cute is this little bag? Like, let me know what y'all think. Like, I just think this is such a cute little bag, and it's like a little crossbody, and I love the fact that it kind of comes like up here, and it just gives such a chic vibe. But comment, let me know like what y'all think about this bag. It's like $25, but how cute is this though? Like so cute. And then it has like the shorter strap as well. Then it got the little crossbody. This is cute. Comment, let me know what y'all think about this. Vitamin Glow. What's back here? coconut conditioner. Okay, so this is the small shampoo. This actually says shampoo. Oh, and a small conditioner. What do you know? Perfect. Okay, so we got a small shampoo and a small conditioner. You know, I think I'll start with those first. And then if I like it, I'll come back and get it. So this is a toner I was thinking about trying. And this is a retinol. I don't know, but these two together are 12, so yeah.
Actions on repeat. To me it seems you're doing just fine. Assumptions can't be registered when it feels like you're mine. Mine. A lot of blocks tied up in the way, but I can't let you go. Vibrations on my cervix came and it's on the floor for you. Attraction can't be the only thing to keep us together, but I won't wait forever. I wanna be where you are. Ooh, anywhere you are. I wanna be where you are. Anywhere.
I'm gonna show y'all the stuff that I got from Kroger's and Trader Joe's, and then I got some stuff from Marshall's too. Well, TJ Maxx. Anyways, I got some Kroger's Kobe Jack cheese, and then I also got some Atlantic salmon, some bacon. They didn't have the maple bacon, which that's the kind that I actually normally get, but they didn't have it. For some reason, all the stores were like not having like a bunch of stuff, but yeah. Then I got some cream cheese spread. And then I got a little small Nutella. The big Nutellas was like $7, almost $8. So I got a small one. I can tell the grocery stores are going up with food, but yeah, got a small Nutella. And then I got me a orange juice, a Starbucks creamer, some breadsticks, and then also my honey oak bread by Private Selection. This is actually the bread that I used, if anybody's curious. This is the bread that I use for my avocado toast, because I know a lot of you guys be liking my little breakfast I cook in the morning, but this is the bread that I use for my avocado toast by Private Selection. And then I got some spinach, which I use the spinach in my eggs and stuff a lot. Now from Trader Joe's, I am trying these new apple blossoms. I've never had them before, but it basically said you can put them in a microwave for like 60 seconds. They just looked really good. But it's these little apple blossoms right here from Trader Joe's. I want you guys to comment, let me know if you guys ever tried these. And then I got these little corn chips right here to go with my corn and chili sauce. I love this. And then I got my mandarin orange chicken that I get all the time. And then I got some beef and broccoli. And then this is my favorite fettuccine from Trader Joe's. And then I also like to get this pizza right here from Trader Joe's, which is literally my fave. So I don't know if I want to cook the pizza or cook this pasta tonight. And then I got some avocados. This is actually my first time. This is actually my first time getting avocados from Trader Joe's, but this is how they look. So 4 come in them. It was 4 come in them for $4. And then I think this is my first time actually getting eggs from Trader Joe's too, because I normally get my dairy from Kroger's, but I got some eggs from Trader Joe's. And then lastly, I got some bananas. So that is everything that we got from the stores. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put everything away. What I like about these containers, y'all, is that I can switch out different types of fruits and vegetables in here. So this time I'm gonna go ahead and put my avocados in this one since I didn't get no strawberries. Okay, so we're gonna put the avocados in here because we didn't get no strawberries. And then I want to say that they said to, I think, let me see, was it, I think I keep this open, I think. Yeah, because avocados can stay open in the refrigerator by themselves. So yeah, I'm gonna put my avocados in this one. And then this one right here, I think I wanna put my bananas, which, oh, this is soft. I'm gonna just kind of lay them in here like this. Hold on, me, because I want them to all like, oh, this was perfect, lay flat. So I'm gonna have this just like this. So yeah, this is how my bananas is gonna be in here. And then I'm pretty sure I want to take my spinach and put it in here. Now, normally I get my salad. I didn't get my salad this time because I felt like my salad had went bad because I didn't eat it fast enough. So I didn't even get no salad, but I probably should have still had got just like a head of lettuce or something, because it keeps me, you know, it keeps me focused on eating healthy stuff. It keeps me focused on eating healthy stuff. So, and for some reason these greens has been coming wet, and I'm not sure why. I don't know if it's because of the moisture, but normally they're dry, and I could have sworn it was wet last time. And I'm not sure if that's because of, you know, like where it comes from or whatever. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just put salad on. I'm gonna go ahead and put my spinach in both of these, because if y'all don't know, like these big bags of spinach can like really fill up 2 of them. So I'm just gonna put my spinach in both of these. And then we got our eggs. This is how many eggs I got in here now, but we're gonna go ahead and fill our eggs up. Now I got an egg missing. Eggs cost too much money to be missing. Trader Joe's. I am shocked. Like, what? I had a whole egg missing. Are you kidding? I should have opened this up. See, normally I do. I was being too trustworthy. Alright, so we got our eggs now. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the refrigerator. And then, matter of fact, let's go ahead and get our containers and fill up our juices real quick. I still got quite a bit of orange juice left, but I'm gonna just go ahead and fill it up to the rim, because I like to have everything like full. So I'll go ahead and fill this up. And then also we got some creamer, y'all. They did not have any Starbucks coffee, but I went ahead and got the creamer because I know that I be having a hard time finding the creamer before the coffee. So I just went ahead and just filled the creamer. I just went ahead and just got the creamer because I know I can go to the Kroger's right up the street from my house and find the coffee easy. They was just probably out at that store. And then now we got a full thing of creamer, because normally we don't have a full thing of creamer because like one of these do not fill up this whole thing when it's empty. So that worked out. And then we got a little bit left. So I'll just put this little leftover over to the side. Okay. So there's that. That's that. Okay. Now, where is my little container for cheese? As a matter of fact, I need to put my cheese. I need to put my cheese in a big one for real. I think what I want to do this time, y'all, I think I want to take my cheese, instead of putting it in a small container, I think I want to put it in a bigger container this time. That way I can just put the whole bag in here. So I'm gonna just put my cheese inside this little container right here. And this is my cheese. Like I said, this, you know, my reason for doing this is to try to not have a bunch of plastic bags, etc., bottles inside of my refrigerator. If you was curious, but yeah, as you can see, a whole bag of cheese fits in here perfect, and my hands are clean and washed as well. So yeah, that way I just have my whole bag of cheese in there, and I ain't gotta worry about the small ones. So now, like, the other stuff is like freezer stuff, so I'll get prepared to put this inside of the freezer. Oh, and then we got, oh, I forgot about this. We also need to go ahead and put our new cream, because I got some regular cream cheese instead of the onion and chives. I need to re-up my bacon. And this is our container for the bacon. So let's go ahead and do that real quick, just so we can have everything already open and ready to go. I like when I restock my food and stuff like that, because it just makes me feel so good and accomplished. When everything is like refilled and stuff, you know. But this is the new bacon. And normally what I do is I just take my bacon, and because of how I use my bacon, I just go ahead and just cut it in half like this. And then I'll just take it out the pack, and I'll just put it over here. Just like that. Easy peasy. And then we got our bacon. Put our bacon in there. Now we need to put our cream cheese in this one, which is pretty much empty. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just take out this old onion and chives, just because we don't need this in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean it out real quick too, just so I won't have none of the old smells and food and stuff. Y'all, I love this new lens, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. If you was a creator, you will understand. Like, this lens is bomb. It's getting like the whole kitchen. And that's why I got it, y'all, because of the angle. And it's like a wide angle lens for, like, you know, to get the whole kitchen. That's why I really got it. So yeah. I want you guys to comment and let me know, do you guys organize your refrigerator or pantry? And do you guys have these type of containers as well? And I end up getting them from Home Goods too, if you guys would like to get them. They are by the Bino. They're by Bino. And then these little containers are from Walmart, which I like because they're gray and they're clear, and it goes with the aesthetic. And it's mostly clear, so it'll go with like my other ones too. So now we're gonna take our, oh y'all, this soap right here, this Dawn, y'all, bomb. I love this. It's so good. Now we're gonna take a spoon, and we're gonna put our new, cream cheese in here. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. I'm actually excited to taste this with the bagel and stuff, because like I said, I'm used to doing the onion and chive, but I'm pretty sure it'll be just as good with the regular kind. So good. It ain't nothing like that regular cream cheese. Okay. So now we got our cream cheese in here. Clean everything up. Okay. Now we got our cream cheese. And now we need to put our salmon in one of these. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a small one, even though I always do the bigger one. But I just basically got like 1 pack, so it's not a big deal. It should still fit in here. I don't know. It should. But I get the Atlantic salmon if you guys ever want to try the salmon and bagel that I eat in the morning. I basically just toast my bagel on the stove and then put the salmon with the cream cheese with some basil. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take our salmon, which should do look like a pretty nice amount. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spread them apart. That way they are okay. Yeah, spread them apart like this. Yeah, this should fit in here. I don't see why it shouldn't. It's stuck though. It's very stuck. I would like for it to all evenly come off, but it's acting like it's gonna give me a hard time. So it's probably easier to try to do it from the back because the front seems to be difficult today. But yeah, normally when I put my salmon on my bagel, I normally go ahead and take pieces apart, and then that's how I actually put it on my bagel. I like for it to be like spread it evenly though, is why I want to take these pieces apart, because okay. So now we got our salmon. So let's just go ahead and put our food in the freezer. And then also I made some ice as well. And then I put my ice, I always put my ice in this little bucket. This ice is pretty much done. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe out my refrigerator because I love it so much. And it's actually been a while since I actually wiped it out, because it don't get too dirty, but it gets dirty enough, if that makes any sense. You know, just from like all the trays and stuff scooting around on here. But as far as food getting on here, it really don't, because everything is basically contained in a container. So that's good. But for the most part, you know, I just like to like get it squeaky clean, so everything can look really nice and fresh. then I'll go ahead and do this side. Now my doors tend to get sticky because I have my drinks over here and my coffee and my creamer. My creamer is sweet, so when the creamer overflows or something, it'll like hit the ground. So we'll just make sure we clean those out. I kind of want to do this monthly as well, just to kind of clean everything out and stuff like that. So yeah, and these containers work really good too, y'all. I got the containers from the Goodwill, and then I got the lids from Amazon, and they are linked in my store if you guys would like to purchase them as well. Okay, so now that we got all these cleaned up, we can start restocking everything. Okay guys, so we're gonna start organizing this refrigerator again. Now, I actually forgot to get some more yogurts, so that's why this looks kind of empty, but that's okay. Go ahead and put my greens in there. Yeah, I actually really love spinach, like. And I also got to re-up on some grapes too, I forgot. Then we got our bacon, our cheese. Got our cream cheese. We're gonna put this right here. I got a few bagels left, so that should be good. Then we're gonna go ahead and put our drinks back in here. My coffee is a little low right now. But I at least got half, so that should be good for now. And then also, these are the other little containers I was telling you guys about. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and put these up here. And I just need like more food to go up there, but you know, yeah. So also guys, we have our butter, and I like to put my butter inside of here. So basically I literally use this drawer just for waters. That's the only thing I use this for. I know y'all like, I know it's a little obsessive, but I drink a lot of water. So that's why I use this drawer for water, because I just feel like it makes sense. And then I feel like the refrigerator is big enough to actually store other food. I can't think of nothing else that will go better down here but water, because it's contained, it looks good, it looks neat, and it looks put together. So it actually makes a lot of sense. And it's like all the water just fits in there perfectly. Perfection. So this is how the restock looks. I need to get some more grapes or maybe switch a different fruit, but yeah, this is how the restock look in the refrigerator. I think it looks pretty good. I love my refrigerator, y'all, but y'all knew that. Then I got like my water, orange juice, creamer, coffee. And like I said, these are glass little containers, and the little lids came from Amazon and the containers came from the Goodwill. So I just put my little tomatoes that I use for my avocado toast in the morning, and then I have some, what's these, mushrooms and some olives. So, and then I also have my little butter, which I got this container from Walmart. Then over here we got the avocados, grapes, spinach, some yogurts, some bananas, eggs, bacon, cheese, smoked salmon, cream cheese, and then our waters. So that is our little refrigerator restock organizing little session. my loves, and welcome back to another video. So we are actually in the second day of this vlog, I believe. And y'all, it's so weird because this new angle, this new lens got me looking like damn, because it's so wide. I'm like, if I put it up, is that weird to y'all? Or like, am I OD crazy? Like, is this too, like, how does this, because I feel like if I put it up, it's too much. I think that's the whole point of it being wide, is because I don't have to put it so up. But y'all, this lens is heavy. This lens is heavy. Okay. Y'all, this lens is so heavy. But I don't know, I'm just not used to the weight of it yet. My other one is like actually not as heavy, but nonetheless, y'all, this is the new lens. I love it. But y'all, in today's video, right, so okay, so like I was in a room earlier, and would I be crazy if I wanted to get a smaller bed? Hear me out, y'all. If you do not know, my bedroom is small, and I do have a king bed, right? But y'all, when I got that king bed, I feel like it just took away space that I just did not need to be taken away. If another company sponsored me with a bed, y'all, I think I'm about to go down to a queen. We all know beds are expensive, so if I get me a new bed, I think I want to go down to a queen bed. The king is just too big, and therefore I would have to get like a new headboard too. But in today's video, I think I'm going to go ahead and switch around my bed. So remember that wall that has that one window, and I said it's awkward, that's why I couldn't put a you know what, let me get my tripod. That's probably why it's so heavy. Wait a minute. So look, this is what I'm thinking about doing, right? I'm thinking about taking the curtain to go all around. I'm thinking about taking the curtain and putting the curtain on that whole entire wall, right? So put a curtain on the whole entire wall to cover up the window, but make the curtains black out. That way the sun will not come through, or the light will not come through. The curtain, because I had blackout curtains and I actually gave them to the Goodwill. Okay, yeah, I gave my blackout curtains to the Goodwill, but that's fine. I can always get some more. But I think I want to switch the bed over to the side that has the one window, and then have my bigger window open. So yeah, I think that's what I want to do. But I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. So let's go. I just love the living room, y'all. And do y'all see this angle? Like, this is almost getting the whole room. Like, are you kidding? But anyways, y'all, let's go back here and let me show y'all what I'm talking about. So, well, first off, this is, you know, boom. Now, what I'm talking about is I want to put this bed over here. Now, don't get me wrong. Like, I know it's cute with like the little double window, but y'all, I need change. And when I feel change, instead of getting a whole nother house, I'm like, let me try switching the furniture around. Let me try. And this is another reason why I said, y'all, I need a small bed. Because even with me and my partner, this is a lot of space. A smaller bed will keep us close together. Okay. And I'm not saying the king is not, you know, comfortable, whatever. It's cool and it is comfortable. But y'all, my room in my home, unfortunately, is small. And I think when I got this king bed, and Lowe has sponsored me, and they was like, oh, we're going to send you a bed, yada, yada, yada. I was like, oh, baby, we about to go big and go home, okay? We about to get a king bed, and we about to do this thing up. Y'all, I should have never did that. I should have never did that. Because, y'all, this, okay, first of all, let me just say, this wide angle lens is the bomb. It is the bomb. Because, girl, as you can see, you catching, and this is how small the room is. Literally, y'all, I kid you not, this is how small the room is. You got this, you got that. From this side to that side. It's so small, my whole lens is catching both ends of the room. Like, are you kidding? So, y'all, this is how small it is, okay? And what I'm thinking is putting this bed over here, because I just feel like I want to have some more room. Like, I just wish I had enough room to put a small couch in here, maybe a reading area, foo la la. Like, I just have so many goals, and I have like my vision is literally beyond me. Like, the things that I envision and that I want to have, I just do not have the space for it. Is why I probably want to move, because this is not my forever home. And as much as I may make it look beautiful, etc., I'm growing out of this place. And I don't know if I told y'all, but I desire to be in either a townhome or a oversized condo. And I say that because I feel like it's going to have certain things in it that I like. And I also think that some of those townhomes and condos as big as a house. That's just my opinion. But let's see what we can do here. Let's get started. Also, let me know this. Do y'all like the vlogs where I'm like in the house doing like home stuff, etc., more than like going out and all that? Comment, let me know. I would love to know. Give me your thoughts. Because I don't know, like I feel like this vlog is just like more like we in the house, and I feel like y'all like to see everyday stuff, like people being in the house doing stuff. And like, let me know, because I know I don't really be in the house like that. Like I be in the house, but I know with my vlogs I like to entertain, so I'm normally out, we at a store, we eat, we with the girls, we shopping, etc. But like, do y'all like these in-home vlogs? Like, is this y'all vibe, or is it kind of boring? Let me know. I'm gonna take all this right here and I'm gonna put this in a closet. But y'all, am I crazy? I want a small bed. I either want a smaller bed or a new house. And the bed might be less expensive. I don't know if y'all remember, but the last time we tried to, was it turn it? I forgot, but like the last time we tried to do something with the bed, y'all, I was struggling. It was a real struggle. So I feel like the only good thing this time is that I should only have to scoot it this way. But we'll see what it do, y'all. You know your girl is determined. And we're gonna get it done either way it go. So let's so I think the first thing I actually want to do is probably move this mattress. That's what I'm saying. This is too big. And y'all, it is so heavy. Or do I want to move it on here? Wait, let me not make it harder for myself. And basically what I did so far. So my only issue right now, right? Whoo, Chad, I'm out of breath. Oh, Jesus. So so basically, like, I tried to lift it up. Well, I had to lift it up in order to get it this way. But my only problem right now at this moment is the rug. And I'm gonna tell you why. If you guys do not know, the rug up under here is like, it's like turned the way where it's like turned the long way, and I'm not sure how I feel about that. I'm gonna see how it looks first before I actually feel like I want to switch it around. Because y'all know last time when we had to switch it around, it was a problem. And I'm talking about problem child problem. Like, so I guess I'm not sure if I want to go through that again. This is the window I was talking about, y'all. But like I said, we are going to, and let me kind of give y'all a little demonstration of what I was talking about. So what I'm talking about is basically taking a rod, right? Taking a rod, well, a bigger rod, and obviously like an extension, and putting it right here, and then taking it over like this. Obviously this is too flimsy, but this is basically what I'm talking about doing. But instead, what I'm gonna do is this is gonna go all the way to the end, right? Which, yeah. So, and now that I think about it, yeah, so this is basically going to go all the way towards the wall. And I'm not even sure if I was thinking, like, should I get the blackout curtains or just keep it how it is? I don't know. The only way this will work is if I use these right here. Let me show you. It's either going to be these right here, or it's either going to be these, or it's going to have to be the circle ones that I got from this other company. Because the only thing that's going to fit over there are those. Which again, I ain't mad at because I'm over mirrors, okay? And I was thinking, like, should I just keep these mirrors right here? But if we back up, like, do y'all see the amount of room that I feel like just came about? Or is it just me? I don't know. But the window alone, I just feel like this window being open just really just creates such a vibe. So I like this vibe. This is what I needed. So this is how it's looking so far. And then we got this side over here, and that's how this side looks so far. It's almost looking like a brand new room. Come on now, you see what I'm saying? So yeah, it's looking like a new room. Like, you know what, I think this is how it looked when I actually first moved in. So I'm excited. I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. So over here we got the little go around tables, and then over here we got the tables that was in the living room. Now if you ask me, I don't like neither one, but if I had to keep one for now, I would say the circle one. But I definitely want some like black wood tables, because I just feel like it gives more definition. It's more updated and more just of what I'm going for. I'm over certain stuff, and this is included, okay? I really just want a dark side table. I don't know, but comment, let me know what y'all think. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the other one out of the room, well, out of the garage, and because I don't like this one, because this is still giving glam, because it got like the little top, so it's like it's enough for me. Now y'all know we got this side over here, and although I do have the mirror, okay, that's cool, whatever, they can stay. Still not sure what I want to do with these two, but I don't know. They could probably still stay in here, but I kind of wish they didn't have the beads on there. But anyways, I digress. Definitely keep my IKEA dresser, obviously. That's kind of the look that I'm going for. But yeah, I'm gonna have to see what I'm gonna do with this little area. Definitely over this little white thing up here too. I just want more of a, as a matter of fact, I think I'll try to put some greenery up here instead of the little flowers and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna put the other one over here, the other table, and then we're gonna see how it looks. Okay y'all, so this is how it looks when you pretty much you know, walk in from the outside, etc. And what I did was I went ahead and took both of the tables and put them on the side just to see how they look with the lamps. But both of them are actually on the floor now. What I did was I just went ahead and just brought the carpet down, with the rug down, and I basically brought the rug down from the bed a little bit, so that way both ends can be off the rug and onto the table. So this is actually the view from, you know, just right here, okay? And this is how the rug looks. I don't know where these little circles came from. Look, where did these come from? They look crazy. But anyways, earlier what I was saying, y'all, was that I'm looking at how long the rug actually is, and the rug probably would have been too long to even turn this way because it's so little in the room. But I do feel like putting the bed on this wall do kind of make it look bigger a little bit, especially with all this carpet right here. But y'all comment, let me know And this is how it looks so far. The window is open now. I'm not sure if I want to keep these mirrors right here or make these black mirrors. I've seen them before. So yeah, so honestly I think black mirrors will go really cute right here, but y'all comment, let me know though. But yeah, it looked good so far though. So yeah, this is how we sleeping tonight. So excited for this window to be open again, because to me this window was like a vocal window. So yeah, but yeah guys, that is going to close out today's video. We are back in the bedroom doing little changes, so I'm excited. Definitely just want to make the room like more modern, kind of like the living room. Like I said, just like more modern and elegant versus glam. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the whole entire vlog. I want you guys to comment which part was your favorite. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.